everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm back with another small haul. Yesterday I went to Hobby Lobby and I needed to get a couple of things. I needed to get some more pom-poms because I absolutely love the tinsel pom-pom right here that I have. But I couldn't find my green one for some crazy reason. So I only had the red and the pinks, and then I needed some gold anyway. So I looked on their site, and they were on sale this week. So I'll actually show you their ads in case you haven't been to Hobby Lobby. Anyway, this week their home decor is 50% off. So I was able to get something for my daughter. I'm not going to show you guys because I actually have it wrapped already. It's under the tree. So, but I got her a little something, and I also got my son a little something. And then anyway, they had all the Christmas stuff is 50% off. So I did grab some wrapping paper. Oh, I forgot it downstairs. I need to grab that to show you guys because it's really cute. And yeah, so anyway, the pom-poms were 50% off as well. So they were only $1 per pack. Certain ones, let me just share with you, because I bought two. Did I buy two different packs? I did. What else? Oh, and their paper. So their specialty papers are 50% off as well. Even the ones that are not Paper Studio. And then, of course, all their items labeled the Paper Studio, they're 50% off. So take advantage. This is the time to get stuff. Okay, so I did find some pom-poms. So let me just show you. So I already opened it because I was, I'm making, you know, the bows. And I'll show you guys my recent bows. I shared it on Instagram. Anyway, so these are the tinsel pom-poms. These are regularly $1.99, so you can get these, and there's, what is it, 24 in a pack? These are their 1-inch pom-poms, I believe. Yes, these are the 1-inch pom-poms, and I absolutely love this white one because it's like iridescent, you know, the little, I don't know, the little fuzzies are iridescent. And then this one has the smaller ones because I also wanted some smaller ones, and they didn't have just, you know, just the small size. So this is 0.43 to 1.18 inches, I guess. Now this is in the Christmas section where they have all the Christmas crafts. So this one is different. It's $3.99, but it's 50% off. So, you know, $2. But you do get 100 pieces of this one. So I went ahead and just stocked up on this because I do use a lot of the white ones. Okay, and then I wanted my green. Here's the green one right here. Now this one is a different color than the one that is marked Christmas crafts. This one, I think it has the same hunter green base, you know, the actual pom-pom, but the tinsel part, this one is it's a different green. The other one is a darker green, whereas this one is a little bit, I guess, brighter and more of an avocado. I don't know if that's the color, but yeah. So anyway, this was $1, and then the rest of the ones I got the gold. I got this pink one right here, which went really well with my recent project, and then the silver, because I didn't have this size silver. I only had the really big ones. So yeah, so I'm having fun with the bows. And then I went also in their Christmas section, and I decided to buy these bells because look at the colors. I love the, you know, the blues. And you get so much. They're, oh, I don't know how many. It doesn't say how many. Now, I thought they were like individually strung, but I guess it's not. It's one big whole piece. because then I saw this part right here. So I guess this is like a garland, a bell garland, and it is in the Christmas, like their Christmas ornament section, that whole section. It's $9.99, but it was 50% off, and I figured it's okay because, you know, you get a lot. So, you know, and you can just cut off the string if you want to use them individually, but I just liked the color mix, so yeah, I just went ahead and got that. I was looking for ornaments, but I didn't get anything. And then in the yarn section, I decided to get this right here. I don't think I have eyelash trim that is this iridescent one. You know, I love the tinsel eyelash trim. And I saw this one. They have like two different kinds, and one is like thinner and I don't know, it's a little stiffer. And then this one here, I like this one. So I went ahead and bought it. I don't think I have this one because I usually use the gray or the silver one. I know I have a black one, I think, and a pink one, but I don't think I have this one. Hopefully I don't, because anyway, I went ahead and bought it, and I used my 40% off this one because this is $6.99. But you know, you get a full, you know, whatever you call this. It's quite a lot. Okay, so that is my some of the stuff that I bought. And then I did look at their paper. So since, you know, oh, that was another thing I needed to get was the white. I was out of white glitter cardstock, and I absolutely loved using this one. It's like really fine glitter, and this one is by actually Doodlebug, and even the Doodlebug ones were $1. Okay, so these are on sale because sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's just a Paper Studio. So I went ahead and got a couple of those, and then I saw some new ones that I didn't see. This one is not new, I don't think. But anyway, I love it. It's striped. I figured this would be also very nice to use, you know, for bows and ribbon. I mean, not ribbon, like the gift bows. And then I saw these, and I thought these were neat, and I thought these were new. So I'm loving the plaid and the gingham, you know, usually during the holidays. And this one came in gold, so this is $1. It came in this rose gold. Isn't that pretty? And then it also came in this silver. So I went ahead and got one of each, and then I got some silver cardstock, and I think this is also Paper Studio. Yeah. So these were all $1. And then, like I said, I got a roll of wrapping paper. Okay, so usually with the wrapping paper, sometimes I wait until after Christmas, but I had to have this one. Since I'm wrapping a lot of gifts this year, these were 50% off, so I did get this for $4.50. But it's so pretty. Look, it's pink. It's like a houndstooth pattern. And then it has sentiments. It has Merry and Bright, Season to Sparkle, Let It Snow. I think that's it. And then it just repeats. It's so pretty. So I figured, you know, this will be my wrapping paper, mine and my daughter's, because I have plenty of other wrapping papers. So I had to get this one. It's so, so pretty. I love it. And okay, and then let me just share with you guys, since, do I have time? I think I do have time. I've been working on, so you guys saw I did the bows, and this time though, if you want a fuller bow, you can do a double bow. You see that? So again, using the Sizzix French bow. This time I used both sizes, so as you can see there, here, you can see it better. I used the bigger one to make the bottom, and then this one here. And then I just kind of staggered it so it would look like this. And I think they came out so cute, right? So it's perfect for your gifts. So yeah, I love it. And here's my pink pom-pom that I recently purchased, and it went so well because the other pink one that I had, you guys, was this one right here. And it's a little too bright, don't you think, for this paper. So I'm glad I picked up this one right here. So yeah, that is my recent project. And yeah, I'm still working on some more of these. I made actually quite a lot, so I think I'm good as far as our presents. But I'm also making, let me just share with you some gift cards, because my daughter wanted me to make some gift cards holders for her friend. So she chose this pattern right here, and at first I made the, you know, the regular bows, and they're just 4x4 cards. You kind of make them like you would do a policy envelope. Basically I cut I believe, let's see, I believe it's okay, so they're 4x4, so I did 8.5 inches by 6 inches. 8.5 by 6 inches. And then you do all your scoring for your flap here, your flap here, and here. Okay, and then I just, it's like a policy envelope. It's like making a policy envelope. And the reason I made these instead of the regular sized gift cards is because my daughter's card here that she's giving her friend, it has this little section right here. I guess it's for activation. So, you know, here's the card, but it was a little bigger. So the 4x4 is perfect. See? So yeah, I started making these. And then I thought, you know, I'll probably need to make some for my nephews, because usually I just give them gift cards or money. And then I just kind of made it like a very simple little card, because, like, you know, they toss these. They don't they don't really keep it. Maybe my daughter will decorate this one. This one's for her friend. But as far as my nephews, you know, I'm going to make them as simple as I can. And yeah, they're just going to toss it. So I started making some. So here's another one here, because I like this paper, and this was already out. This was just, you know, some leftover paper. I just made a 3x3 card on this one. And then I decided, since I was making the bows, why not do one with the bows? Isn't this cute? So I made a gingham bow, and then I just, I put it in the front this time, and you can just open this up, and I can put a gift card in there or money. So I figured I'll just make a few of these, and here's another one that I made. And this time I used that paper from Michaels. It's this one right here. I forgot what this one is called, but it's like one of the paper pads, and it comes with a really fine glitter. I don't know if that's the Magicals. No, it's not. It's something else. It's this one right here. Recollections. I don't know what this one's called, but I've kind of had it for a while. So it kind of has that ombre. See, it has like an ombre. And I used this one right here because it went perfectly with this paper. This paper pad is from the new paper pad from Michaels. I think it's the farmhouse one, if I'm not mistaken. Can't remember. I think it is. I love this pattern. It's like one of my favorites. So anyway, yeah, I made this, and then I put my little tinsel, and I just put the panels on here. So this one's, you know, nice and sturdy because I did the panels. So that's how that goes. And did I even put a card? I think I just put like a sheet. This was like a leftover. I can just put a little message in there. So yeah, you can just make it really simple. You know, for the teenagers who are probably not going to keep these. So yeah, that's what I've been doing lately. So let me know if you guys want a tutorial. I guess I can do a tutorial on these on my next video. And that's it. That is my project share for today and my little haul. I hope everyone's having a wonderful holiday season, and it's raining this week, so this weekend. So yeah, stay safe everyone, and have a great weekend. Hopefully you can craft. And thanks for watching, guys. Happy Friday to everybody. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.